What's up YouTube? Welcome to this video. So we are now going to set up the Visual Studio which I was using in the previous video. So search for Visual Studio, click the first link and download Visual Studio. A small size setup will be downloaded. Click it, continue and wait for the loading to finish. So once the loading is finished, you will see an interface like this. You have to click Visual Studio Community Edition and either it's gonna be 2022 or a later version. So you have to go for the latest version. I have already installed it, so I will click modify. You would click install. And you have to select this .NET desktop application that we are doing in this series. And further going down the road, we will be needing this ASP.NET and web development package. Other than that, everything is optional. So click install, and after the installation is finished, run Visual Studio. So create a new project and select console app. Click next and the name of your project. Next, create. So here we have it, our first program. So there are two lines written. The first one is hello world. This is how you write a greeting message or any message to the user of the program. And this is what we call a comment. This is just information which is not included in your final program, but it's just there like this is a greeting message. Just to remind you what your code does. So let us talk more about the Visual Studio. This is the name of your project and you have tabs over here. You don't need the properties tab that much. So or click on the auto hide and it will be hidden. You will be needing the Solution Explorer tab more, so you can pin it like this. These are the files included in the project. So this is the project file, the main file. These are the dependencies. You don't need to worry about this for now. And this is our program.cs class in which this code is written. You can see the title over here too. So in the latest .NET, we have very fewer files. In the previous version of .NET, there were a lot of folders and files. And we will also look into that when we talk about the history of .NET. So this is an important tab. We also have two important tabs here which are error list. If your program has error, so if I write something unusual like this, then you would see error over here. And this is an output tab. You can see a lot of details of your code being converted into your program. So this is your code, and you when you press this button, this code is converted into a exe, so a executable program. And you can see that program by going into here bin debug. Here is your program, so you can run it independently of the Visual Studio. It did not show up because we didn't write console.read key, which is used to hold the program at the end. So the program is run. Now you need to hold the program. When a key is pressed, then the program exits. So if I run this exe, now it's showing me hello world, and when I press enter, it's gone. So some other things are, let's say if you close this tab, then what you can do? You can go to view, and here is your Solution Explorer and you can get it back. In the view, you can also get Server Explorer, the toolbox which is used for desktop programming, the property window and some other windows here. So if you lose any one of them, the server explorer will be used when we use our uh, when we use databases in our program. You don't need to worry about that for now. So this is all for now, and let's see you in the next one. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.